So some of the specific areas where Cincinnati Children's Innovation Ventures provides guidance and support include assessing the innovation for novelty and commercial viability. And if needed, they can find ways to help protect your intellectual property, or IP. They can guide you to funding opportunities, facilitate partnerships and collaborations, negotiate licensing agreements, and distribute revenue according to the IP policy. If you work at another organization, I encourage you to reach out and to understand what resources exist at your organization. There are a lot of benefits to partnering with the company where you already work to develop an innovative product. And this really highlights the difference between an entrepreneur, which most people are pretty familiar with, and an intrapreneur, which a lot of people have never heard of. Entrepreneurs organize and operate a business, taking on greater than normal financial risks in order to do so. Depending upon the organization where you work, you may be required to partner with the commercialization office to develop your solution. So if you have questions about this, reach out to their team because they're always happy to connect with you about this. An intrapreneur develops an innovative idea in collaboration with their company or employer. There's a lot of benefits to being an intrapreneur. You take on minimal financial risk as an inventor. You have access to resources from your entire company for research and development. You also have access to the target population and clinical staff for feedback as well as to do testing. The inventor typically receives financial compensation if the product is successfully commercialized, and commonly these funds are shared between the inventor and your institution. And if your organization is not able to work with you to commercialize your solution, they may suggest alternative pathways that could help you move forward. You'll see the link to Cincinnati Children's intellectual property policy in the description below and on the Innovation Ventures Centerlink website. And also, you can reach out to your hospital's team with commercialization if you have questions. So things to keep in mind when innovating. You're always welcome to talk with the Innovation Ventures team at any stage in development. The staff there know the development pathways and know what questions to ask. Always disclose your technology on the online inventor portal on Centerlink at least 30 days before sharing it with anyone else. This portal will connect you with a member of the innovation team who can assess the innovation's commercial potential. Submitting an invention disclosure in the portal doesn't protect intellectual property. You'll need to talk with someone in the commercialization office to understand what the next steps are for protecting the intellectual property.